Hi everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I show you how to make Nigerian coated peanuts or peanut burger. And if you want to see how I made this delicious peanut, watch this video till the end without skipping any part. And don't forget to like and share this video. So to start without wasting much time, pour your raw peanuts in your mixing bowl and make sure you pick out the broken ones from the good ones which you are going to be using. Next, add salt, pour in your hot water, cover with a kitchen towel and let it soak in the hot water for at least 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, use your sieve to take out the raw soaked peanuts from the water. So once you are done removing the raw peanut from the water, spread it on any flat container, sun dry it for at least 4 hours, or you can use a dehydrator to dry the water. Next, take out a soup plate, then crack your eggshell, pour in the egg white and the egg yolk into your soup plate. For this recipe, I'm using 2 raw eggs. Then add in your sugar. Use a fork to beat the egg. And for the dried ingredient, pour in your flour into your mixing bowl. Add in your cornstarch, which is optional, your baking powder. Add in your sugar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of nutmeg, and your powdered milk. Then use a whisk to combine all the dried ingredients together. So guys, this is my raw peanuts after I'm done sun drying it for 4 hours. Next, pour the dried peanuts into a bowl. Scoop a small quantity of the egg mixture into the peanuts and use your spatula to mix everything together. And after that, scoop a small quantity of the dried ingredient mixture into the peanuts. Shake in a circular motion until the peanuts are coated with the dried ingredients. Keep on repeating the same process until the peanuts are well coated with the dried and the wet ingredients. Once your peanuts are well coated, pour it in your sieve to sieve out the excess flour in it. And this is what your peanuts should look like after you are done coating them. Next, place an empty pan on the heat, pour in your vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, and after that, add in your coated peanuts in your oil. Then deep fry it on a medium heat while you stir it continuously. So once your peanuts start turning golden brown, use a sieve to take them off the heat. Spread it on your kitchen towel to drain the excess oil on them and also to allow it to cool down. And after you are done, let the oil cool down for at least a minute or 2 before you add the next batch for frying. So finally guys, this is what my coated peanuts or peanut burger look like after I'm done frying them. And don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Like and share this video. See you guys on my next video.